Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a topic that has been quite controversial: the impact of grilled food versus fried food on obesity. We all know that maintaining a healthy weight is essential, and our choice of food plays a significant role in achieving that. So, let's dive in and explore whether grilling or frying is the better option when it comes to fighting obesity. Now, let's start with grilling. Grilling involves cooking food over an open flame or hot surface, usually without any added fats or oils. This method allows the excess fat from the meat to drip away, resulting in a leaner end product. When it comes to obesity, choosing grilled food can be a better option compared to fried food. One of the main reasons for this is the lower calorie content of grilled food. The excess fat that is present in fried food can add up quickly, leading to higher calorie intake. On the other hand, grilling helps to reduce the amount of fat in the food. This can be especially beneficial for individuals trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, grilling allows for the retention of more nutrients in the food. Since grilling typically involves shorter cooking times compared to frying, the vitamins and minerals present in the food are preserved to a greater extent. This means that you can enjoy a more nutrient-dense meal when you opt for grilled food, which can be essential for overall health and well-being. Another great benefit of grilling is the amazing flavors it imparts to the food. The high heat of grilling creates a unique smoky taste that many people find incredibly satisfying. By using different marinades, herbs, and seasonings, you can enhance the flavor and make your grilled dishes delicious and enjoyable. This can be particularly useful for individuals looking to cut back on less healthy options, such as sugary sauces or dressings, which are often paired with fried foods. Now let's shift our focus to fried foods. While it's true that fried foods are typically higher in calories and unhealthy fats, let's not completely write them off in the context of obesity. Fried food, when consumed in moderation and prepared using healthier methods, can still be a part of a balanced diet. Firstly, let's consider the cooking method. Deep frying at high temperatures can lead to the formation of harmful compounds, such as carcinogens and trans fats. However, using alternative methods like shallow frying or sautéing in minimal oil can significantly reduce these risks. In terms of the taste, craving something fried every once in a while isn't uncommon. Completely depriving oneself of indulgent treats can often lead to binge eating or feelings of dissatisfaction. By enjoying your favorite fried foods in moderation and balance, you can satisfy those cravings without going overboard. It's important to note that fried foods aren't always the enemy. The key lies in making smarter choices while frying. Opting for healthier cooking oils, such as olive oil or coconut oil, can minimize the negative impact on your health. Additionally, choosing whole grain breading or batter and incorporating more vegetables into your fried dishes can make them more nutritious. Ultimately, it's about finding the right balance in your diet. Incorporating grilled foods as the mainstay of your meals and occasionally enjoying fried foods can create a well-rounded approach to eating that supports your overall weight management goals and is sustainable in the long run. Remember, the important thing is to listen to your body and make mindful choices. If you find yourself gravitating towards fried foods more often than not, it might be worth examining the underlying reasons behind those cravings and finding healthier alternatives that satisfy your taste buds. So, to wrap it up, while grilled food is generally considered a healthier option to combat obesity due to its lower calorie content and nutrient retention, fried foods can still be enjoyed in moderation by making smarter choices in terms of cooking methods and ingredients. As always, remember that maintaining a healthy weight is a holistic journey, and it requires a combination of mindful eating, regular physical activity, and overall lifestyle choices. Find a balance that works for you and embrace a lifestyle that promotes your long-term well-being. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more engaging discussions on various health and nutrition topics. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.